Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Heart valve disease types, meds, and surgical repair. Key takeaways. Heart valve disease occurs when the heart's valves don't function properly. Symptoms of heart valve disease include shortness of breath, fatigue, and chest pain. Surgery may be needed if medications don't help or the disease worsens. The heart has 4 valves that control the flow of blood. Heart valve disease can cause regurgitation, backflow of blood, or stenosis, narrowing of the valve. Untreated, it can lead to serious complications like heart failure and stroke. Heart valve disease may not have any symptoms initially, but as it progresses, symptoms like fatigue and shortness of breath can develop. Medications can help control symptoms, but surgery may be required for severe cases to repair or replace the problematic valve. After heart valve surgery, patients need to participate in cardiac rehabilitation and follow up regularly with their healthcare provider to monitor their condition. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.